Hey guys, Scott here from CarParts.com. I'm a category director here for the Undercar Under Hood. Got some Bestop seats here we're gonna do install. Got my project Jeep that I've been working on for 7 years and I'm dying to put these in. Let's see why we need to replace this. We open up here. Got one of the original seats here from 1989 and you can tell it's definitely seen better days. Even the seat riser is a little crooked. So it needs to be replaced. The Bestop. So we got the driver's side seat in and working. We've got it hand cranked down just to make sure it would fit. So we'll show you what we did on the passenger side. We're assembling the back of the seat to the base of the seat. Okay, I'm in over here. Now we're just attaching the seat to the risers. There's little brackets right here that we're gonna hook onto here on both sides, slide it over, and then we'll put the cotter pin. All right, so what you're gonna wanna do is only hand tighten these bolts so you have some give to make sure it lines up with this back plate. So that when you bring this down, and then it can lock in. It aligns, now we can tighten them down. So we ended up using this back hole, this plate, in the back here, and anchoring it here. So now it aligns, and it's solid. So this was fairly easy. We're able to assemble this with just hand tools in the garage. Obviously, that extra pair of hands makes it easier. But it came out nice, looks great. Quality product. Thanks to Bestop. Make sure you get it at CarParts.com.